Number 18. Remote virtual assistants. Busy entrepreneurs, small business owners, and online creators often need help, and they're willing to pay for reliable support. That's where virtual assistants come in, offering remote services that keep businesses running smoothly. Step 1. Decide your service. You could manage emails, schedule meetings, handle social media, organize documents, or even assist with research. Pick the tasks you're good at and enjoy. Clients value efficiency and accuracy. Step 2. Set up profiles on Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Showcase your skills with clear descriptions and examples. Even a small portfolio or a few testimonials can make a huge difference when clients are choosing between multiple applicants. Step 3. Set your pricing. Beginners can charge $10 to $50 per hour, while monthly retainers range from $200 to $800, depending on the workload. And here's the key. Reliability and clear communication are more valuable than speed alone. A client who trusts you will stick with you, sending more tasks your way. With just 2 to 3 consistent clients, you can create steady income while working entirely from home. Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and seeing a list of tasks to complete for the day, organized, manageable, and profitable. Over time, you can scale by taking more clients, offering specialized services, or even training other VAs to work under you. Remote virtual assistance isn't just a side hustle, it's a flexible, growing business that rewards organization, reliability, and skill. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 Side Hustles to Start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.